I'm sure you don't know that El Gran Maja is one of the strangest and scariest monsters that lives under the sea like the Kraken. El Gran Maja is incredibly large and so ferocious that he tore it to pieces in one of his battles with Bloop. This monster has a relatively large mouth with long and very sharp teeth. The Kraken, like El Gran Maja, has thick skin and large and powerful tentacles that can easily fight any sea monster. Kraken and El Gran Maja are both monsters that don't joke with anyone. El Gran Maja, with her 6 eyes, can easily notice and react to any changes that happen around her. Kraken, unlike El Gran, has a slightly scary and rather mysterious appearance. This monster can easily hug a Bloop with its long tentacles, but El Gran Maja wins this fight. Friend, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is very valuable to me.